everyone. Welcome to episode 60 of Think in English, the podcast. I'm Lily, and I'm here with my good friend Ben. Today, we're diving into how to complain politely in simple English. Ben, picture this. You're in a busy shop, and the cashier gives you the wrong change. Your heart beats fast, but you don't want to shout. How do you complain politely without making a scene?
Oh, Lily, that's a perfect trigger. I've been there. Last month, I bought groceries and the bill was wrong. I felt frustrated, but I stayed calm. Complaining politely is like magic. It fixes things and keeps everyone happy. It's all about using kind words, right, Lily?
Absolutely, Ben. Complaining politely means saying what's wrong in a nice way. You show respect and people listen more. For beginners learning English, this is super useful in daily life. We'll use real conversations, repeat key words and phrases to help you remember. Let's repeat that. Complaining politely. Say it with us. Complaining politely.
Yes, key phrases make it easy. We'll say them again and again. Start with the basics. What are the main key phrases for complaining politely?
Great question, Ben. The top ones are, excuse me, but, I'm sorry to bother you, but, I hate to complain, but, could you please, and would you mind? These are polite starters and askers. Repeat after me. Excuse me, but. Now you, Ben.
Excuse me, but. Good. I'm sorry to bother you, but. Let's all say, I'm sorry to bother you, but. These soften your words.
Exactly. I hate to complain, but shows you don't like to complain. Repeat. I hate to complain, but. And for asking, could you please or would you mind? Say, could you please? These are magic for polite English.
Love it. Now let's jump into situations. First, restaurants. Common place for complaints. Your food is cold. Don't say this is bad. Instead, complain politely.
Right. Say, excuse me, but my food is cold. Could you please heat it up? See? Polite and clear. Repeat the key phrase. Excuse me, but. And could you please?
Let's role play. I'm the waiter, you're the customer. Your steak is overcooked.
Okay. Excuse me, but my steak is too hard. It's overcooked. Could you please cook a new one?
I'm so sorry, ma'am. Yes, I'll bring a new steak right now. Great job, Lily. You complained politely. No anger. Repeat, could you please?
Thanks. Another restaurant issue. Wrong order. You asked for tea, got coffee. Say, I'm sorry to bother you, but I ordered tea, not coffee. Could you please change it?
Perfect. Repeat, I'm sorry to bother you, but. Now role play. You ordered salad, got soup. Excuse me, but this is soup. I ordered salad. Would you mind bringing the salad instead?
Of course, sir. Coming up. See, Ben, would you mind is so gentle. Repeat, would you mind?
Yes. Restaurant's done. Now stores. You buy a toy, it's broken. Complain politely at the counter.
Try, I hate to complain, but this toy is broken. Could you please give me a new one or my money back? Key phrase, I hate to complain, but. Repeat it.
I hate to complain, but. Role play. I'm the shopkeeper. You bought a book with missing pages.
Hi, excuse me, but this book has missing pages. I'm sorry to bother you, but could you please exchange it?
Sure, no problem. Here's a new book. Excellent. You used two key phrases. Repeat, excuse me, but, and I'm sorry to bother you, but.
More store examples. Wrong size clothes. Say, excuse me, but this shirt is too big. Would you mind showing me a smaller size?
Or price wrong. I hate to complain, but the price on the tag is lower than at checkout. Could you please fix it?
Repeat all key phrases. Excuse me, but. I'm sorry to bother you, but. I hate to complain, but. Could you please? Would you mind? Say them slowly.
Now, neighbors. Tricky because you live close. Noisy music late. Complain politely to keep peace.
Yes. Knock and say, Hi, I hate to complain, but the music is loud. Would you mind turning it down? I have work tomorrow.
Polite. Repeat, I hate to complain, but, and would you mind? Role play. My dog barks a lot. Complain to me.
Hello, Ben. Excuse me, but your dog is barking a lot. I'm sorry to bother you, but could you please keep it quiet at night?
Oh, sorry, Lily. I'll take care of it. See? Friends stay friends. Key phrase repeat. Could you please?
Another neighbor issue. Trash left out. I hate to complain, but your trash is attracting animals. Would you mind putting it away?
Good one. Or parking. Excuse me, but your car is blocking my driveway. Could you please move it?
Repeat. Excuse me, but. Next, hotels. Travel problems.
Room not clean? At the front desk say, I'm sorry to bother you, but my room is dirty. Could you please send a cleaner?
Yes. Repeat. I'm sorry to bother you, but. Role play. No hot water in the shower.
Hello, excuse me, but there's no hot water in my room. Would you mind fixing it?
We'll send someone now. Perfect. Would you mind?
Wi-Fi slow. I hate to complain, but the Wi-Fi is very slow. Could you please check it?
Or noisy room. Excuse me, but the room next door is loud. Would you mind moving me to a quieter room?
Repeat key phrases again. I hate to complain, but could you please? Would you mind? Practice makes perfect.
Now, phone complaints, like wrong bill from a company.
Call and say, hello, I'm sorry to bother you, but there's a mistake on my bill. Could you please correct it?
Yes. Repeat. I'm sorry to bother you, but. Role play. Wrong package delivered.
Hi, excuse me, but I got the wrong package. I hate to complain, but could you please send the right one?
Sorry, we'll fix it. Good. I hate to complain, but.
Bank error. Excuse me, but my account shows wrong charges. Would you mind looking into it?
Now, work. Careful. Keep job good.
Colleague late on work. I hate to complain, but the files are late. Could you please send them soon?
Or boss meeting. Excuse me, but the time is wrong. Would you mind changing it?
Role play. I'm your coworker. Report has errors.
Ben, I'm sorry to bother you, but this report has mistakes. Could you please fix them?
Sure, Lily. Thanks for saying politely. Repeat, could you please?
Family. Even closer, so politer.
Dishes left? Would you mind washing your dishes? It helps the house.
Or loud TV. I hate to complain, but the TV is too loud. Could you please turn it down?
Yes. Repeat, would you mind? And I hate to complain, but.
Doctor's office. Long wait.
Excuse me, but I've waited an hour. Could you please tell me when it's my turn?
Or wrong prescription. I'm sorry to bother you, but this medicine is wrong. Would you mind checking?
Repeat all. Excuse me, but I'm sorry to bother you, but
Airport. Flight delay.
I hate to complain, but the flight is delayed again. Could you please give more info?
Lost bag. Excuse me, but my luggage is missing. Would you mind helping find it?
Role play. Wrong seat.
Hi, I'm sorry to bother you, but this is not my seat. Could you please check my ticket?
Yes, ma'am. Here's your seat. Good.
Online shopping. Damaged item.
Email or chat. I hate to complain, but the item came broken. Could you please refund or replace?
Wrong color. Excuse me, but I ordered blue, got red. Would you mind sending the blue one?
Repeat. Would you mind?
Movie theater. People talking.
Excuse me, but you're talking loud. Would you mind being quiet?
Or phone light. I'm sorry to bother you, but your phone is bright. Could you please turn it off?
Yes, now more situations. Bus crowded.
To driver. I hate to complain, but the bus is too full. Is another coming?
Or train late. Excuse me, but the train is delayed. Could you please announce why?
Coffee shop. Drink wrong.
I'm sorry to bother you, but I asked for no sugar. Would you mind making a new one?
Library. Noisy people.
Excuse me, but it's loud here. Could you please talk quieter?
Gym. Machine broken.
I hate to complain, but this machine doesn't work. Could you please fix it?
Park. Dog off leash.
Excuse me, but your dog is running free. Could you please put the leash on?
Supermarket. Expired food.
I'm sorry to bother you, but this milk is expired. Would you mind exchanging it?
Now, let's add school. Teacher mistake.
Excuse me, but I think the grade is wrong. Could you please check?
Friend borrows, doesn't return.
I hate to complain, but you have my book long. Would you mind giving it back?
Repeat all key phrases many times. Excuse me, but. Say it.
I'm sorry to bother you, but. Again.
I hate to complain, but. Loud.
Could you please? Yes.
Would you mind? Perfect.
More role plays. Restaurant again. Bill wrong.
Excuse me, but the bill has extra items. Could you please remove them?
Sorry, fixed. Good.
Store, rude service, but complain about product, not person.
I hate to complain, but the service was slow. No, better focus on the issue.
Yes, say, excuse me, but I waited long. Could you please help faster next?
Neighbors, party loud.
Hi, would you mind ending the party soon? It's late.
Okay, now hotel, no towels.
Excuse me, but no towels in room. Could you please bring some?
Yes, phone, internet down.
I'm sorry to bother you, but my internet is off. Could you please send help?
Work, noisy office.
I hate to complain, but it's hard to focus. Could you please talk less?
Family, messy room.
Would you mind cleaning your room? It looks better.
Doctor, appointment wrong time.
Excuse me, but my time was 10, now 11. Could you please see me soon?
Airport, food bad.
I hate to complain, but this sandwich is old. Would you mind refund?
Online, late delivery.
Excuse me, but delivery is late. Could you please track it?
Movie, seat taken.
I'm sorry to bother you, but this is my seat. Would you mind moving?
Bus, no AC.
Excuse me, but no air. Could you please turn on?
Coffee, spill.
I'm sorry to bother you, but my cup leaked. Would you mind new drink?
Library, book damaged.
Excuse me, but this book torn. Could you please replace?
Gym, locker stuck.
I'm sorry to bother you, but locker won't open. Would you mind help?
Park, bench dirty.
Would you mind cleaning bench? I want sit.
Supermarket, line long.
Excuse me, but line slow. Could you please open more cash?
School, homework too much.
I hate to complain, but homework hard. Would you mind explain more?
Friend, late meet.
Excuse me, but you're late. Could you please call next time?
We've covered so many. Restaurants, stores, neighbors, hotels, phones, work, family, doctors, airports, online, movies, bus, coffee, library, gym, park, supermarket, school, friends.
Time for more repeats. Say, excuse me, but. I'm sorry to bother you, but. I hate to complain, but. Could you please? Would you mind?
Why repeat? For memory. Beginners say it daily.
Add tips. Stay calm. Smile if face-to-face. Say thank you after.
Yes, thank you for helping. Makes polite complete.
Another situation, taxi, wrong way.
Excuse me, but this not right way. Could you please turn?
Or hotel breakfast cold.
I'm sorry to bother you, but eggs cold. Would you mind warm?
Work email wrong. I hate to complain, but attachment missing. Could you please resend?
Family, dinner, food salty.
Would you mind less salt next? I like, but too much.
Doctor, wait, thirsty.
Excuse me, but long wait. Could you please water?
Airport security slow.
I'm sorry to bother you, but line long. Could you please faster?
Online chat, no reply.
I hate to complain, but no reply. Could you please respond?
Movie, popcorn, stale.
Excuse me, but popcorn old. Would you mind new?
Bus fare, wrong.
I'm sorry to bother you, but fare high. Could you please check?
Coffee, order, mix.
I'm sorry to bother you, but this latte, I want mocha. Would you mind change?
Library, computer, slow.
Excuse me, but computer freeze. Could you please restart?
Gym class, full.
I'm sorry to bother you, but class overbooked. Would you mind add spot?
Park, trash full.
Would you mind empty bin? It's full.
Supermarket, out stock.
Excuse me, but no apples. Could you please restock?
School bus, late.
I hate to complain, but bus always late. Would you mind on time?
Friend, gift wrong.
I'm sorry to bother you, but gift not fit. Could you please exchange?
We've expanded with more examples. All use key phrases.
Yes, repeat them one more time. Excuse me, but. I'm sorry to bother you, but. I hate to complain, but. Could you please? Would you mind?
In real life, these help talk better. No fights, just fixes.
Now to wrap up. Today we learned complaining politely with key phrases. Excuse me, but. I'm sorry to bother you, but. I hate to complain, but. Could you please? Would you mind?
We repeated them lots for memory, covered many daily situations like restaurants, stores, neighbors, hotels, and more.
Practice these phrases every day. Talk to friends, family, or even in the mirror. You'll get confidence in English. Thanks for joining episode 60 of Think in English, the podcast. You're amazing learners.
Bye, everyone. Keep smiling and practicing. See you next time.